Hello, darling. Let's talk about the most important component of feminine energy, that is receiving. It's not to say that you have to be kind of needy and desperate. No, that's not receiving. That's not magnetic energy of receiving, because receiving is not actually doing something to get something. It's about just being and accepting what's there for you, what's happening to you, and being happy about that. It's very different thing. I'll give you an example. For example, women tend to have this craving of love and nurturing and care that's very genuine to us. But what happens is that if you want that desperately from someone, कि कोई कर दे, कोई खाना बना के खिला दे, कोई ये करा दे, it will going to end up your more in a worst way. Instead of that, actually when we say the receiving energy, it's not about asking for it, it's about being in that mode. For example, I'll give you an example because this is my personal one and I've experienced recently. Was allowing me to sleep more, sometimes eat more, and have a walk in the garden more, maybe allowing me to paint as much as I want to, be in my creative side, not forcing me to fulfill the goals and the targets I have been fulfilling for the rest of the month. See, receiving is literally independent of anything outside of me. It's like a feeling that you feel within you because you're fulfilling things you want to have it for yourself, and by doing it and giving it yourself. दिस इज़ नॉट टू से कि अगर कोई उस वक्त आपको मम्मा कुछ अच्छा बना के दे रही है या कुछ अच्छा प्यार से बोल दे रही है तो आपको मना कर देना चाहिए. नो, इसका मेन यही है कि कोई इंसान कुछ कर रहा है उसको करने दो. इफ दे आर गिविंग इट, रिसीव, बट डोंट बी डेस्परेट ऑफ वांटिंग दैट. And if you're feeling the urge of having more of that, like love more and care more, then give it yourself. Try to find a way out to nurture your own self without having to dependent on another human for it. And that would obviously not just improve your mood, it will also improve your body cramps and other thing, because then you feel so fulfilled by doing those small things yourself that you don't find a time and maybe area where you can just wait and curse another person for not giving it to you. So yeah, that's for today. Thank you.